Nothing like a good shower. Looking for subscribers? Hi, I'm Ronnie. I can tell you how to get a few. If you just give me a few minutes every time. Just like me and our other YouTubers, you got two choices. Doesn't matter which one you choose, they both lead to the same road. Success. Growing your YouTube channel, you gotta do it one leg at a time. But eventually you'll get your pants on. I guess the point I'm trying to make is small goals, a bunch of them, lead to big goals as well. So do a little bit at a little bit of time. And over time, it'll be bigger. Why not break them down smaller? Something more realistic that is even hard for the smallest of channels to do. Let me show you how to do it. Hi, I'm Ronnie. This is my channel. It's called Dad Starts, where I tell people like you how to make money off YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, how to grow it. Stay tuned to the end if your attention span is short, to where I can tell you another way. If you have a small YouTube channel, how you can still make money without being monetized. Still where you can make money. I'm doing it now. And look at my channel. I just started. Let's get into it. You probably already know about it already, but you know every YouTube channel you have like a subscriber pop-up link to where it creates like a gateway to where when people click on the subscriber pop-up link, when it goes to your page, there's a phase black and there's a pop-up that pops up and they have to subscribe first if they want to go into the video. It's a powerful tool that a lot of people don't use, and I use it. Now you won't get 1,000 subscribers, but that's not what we're talking about. You want to start off with that to get some traction going. That's what we're trying to do. Getting the traction going right will let YouTube know that people are actually coming to your channel, at least, whether they're not at least watching the whole video and they may not be subscribing, but still people are coming to your page and you're getting some traffic. Just think about if you had your own store. People might not be coming in at first to buy it, but it's good that you got some people coming in because they may not be ready to buy then. They know your place exists. They like some of your stuff, so they're gonna either come back for more because they like you, or they're gonna also tell other people about you. And that's how you grow your business. Same thing with YouTube. Now, if you don't know how to get your pop-up link from YouTube, it's absolutely free. It comes with your YouTube account. If you don't know how to use it, I suggest that you get TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is free. Now, I pay for it. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, it only starts off with like $2.99 a month. $3 a month is not a lot of money to invest in your YouTube channel. $3 a month. You even could pay for it for the whole year and they give you a discount. All those details are in the link down in my description. Click it, sign up. It has a lot of other tools you can use as well. Now, if you don't want to get a TubeBuddy because A, you may not have the money or just can't afford $3 a month. Never heard of it, don't have time, or just don't care about it, you can literally do it yourself, and I'm going to show you right now. First, you're going to log into your YouTube account, YouTube Studio or Creator Studio, because they recently just updated it. You're going to log into your YouTube account and you're going to go to settings. It'll be in the left side tab. Scroll all the way down to settings. You're going to click settings and then you're going to click on upload defaults. What is upload defaults? Now, you know, every time you upload a video, you should be creating a description and a title and a thumbnail. And what the upload default does, every time if you're using the same old description over and over, for example, like I keep using my links, my about information, my contact information, and my description over and over, automatically just upload whatever you put into that box. Now, how do you get your YouTube subscriber pop-up link? You're gonna go into your YouTube channel and get your link in the address bar. Now, in your address bar on your YouTube page, you will see it at the top, and you're going to highlight all the way up until the last letter. Now, some of you guys may have a custom URL. That's okay. Still the same principle applies. You're going to highlight the last part of your link up until the last letter. Usually it ends with /featured. You want to erase /featured and then key in $sub_confirmation equals 1. That's it, really. So you're gonna put that in there, click on it, and then you'll see where it takes you. It's gonna take you to the pop-up screen we're talking about. You should see it now if you're doing it with this video. Now, what are you gonna want to do with that link? First, go back to your upload defaults we talked about first and put it in there. Save it. So now every time you upload your videos, it'll automatically put it there. You can also put something like click here or subscribe here or anything you want in your subscription next to it so people can click on it and they'll see it at the very top. So do that first. Then probably the same thing you've already been doing as you're growing your channel. Post that bad boy everywhere. So most people are too lazy. They'll come to your video and they'll watch the whole video and they may even love it, but they still won't subscribe. This will probably entice them to do so more. To take it a little bit further, go to bit.ly.com and sign up for that and shorten the link and make it shorter. And you can also track the link and see which one is giving you the most traffic so you know which ones to focus on. And like I said, you can also use TubeBuddy. It'll do the same thing for you and it'll track it all for you for free. I use TubeBuddy, it's great. But if you don't, you can get Bitly, tiny URL, any short link shortener, and it'll keep track of those links so you know the best ones that are sending you the traffic. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Make sure you check the link in the description. My top way how you can make money online. This is real good how I'm making. I started out and I was just making $100 a week, and it's all the way up to I matched my income at my previous job and we're quitting. That's why it's been so hard for me to make this video, because I'm literally in the midst of moving and the place looks like a wreck. About this program a little bit, it is affiliate marketing. And the great thing about affiliate marketing, if you don't already know about it, you sell other people's products and they pay you a commission. Now, a lot of people sell low ticket commissions. I don't deal with that because I literally found out early that it's hard work to do these, promote these products. So if you're gonna put the effort into it, you wanna sell high ticket, that way your payoff is bigger. And that's what I said. I started off making 100. It was very difficult doing that. Now I'm making 4,000. The tickets, the items literally sell themselves. As you grow your YouTube channel, you may or may not be in the same niche, but you can find similar products that are in your niche and promote them, and you'll get paid for it, for the commissions. It really works. I highly suggest you check it out. Watch the video. If you don't like it, tell me what you think. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them. But I am a proven example of it works. Check out some of my previous videos. I even showed some proof of how it works. And I'm gonna do tons of more in the future. Thank you guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and good luck. Let me know what happens.